Next is the Draw New Path button. Clicking it will erase your current path, and the next click in the workspace will place the object's axis at that point. Each subsequent click will allow you to interactively draw out the object's path as we showed previously. The Insert Point or Keyframe button will allow you to click on the path between two existing keyframes and insert a new keyframe. You will end up with the number of frames on either side of the new keyframe equal to what is set in the Draw Path panel in the Segment section. In this case, we will have 30 frames on either side of the new point. The currently selected keyframe may be deleted from the path with the Delete Point button. By default, TrueSpace allows manipulations to work on a per point basis. This tool tells it to do just that. Only apply these changes to the current selected point. You may select from the presets of a sharp curve or a smooth curve. This button will tell TrueSpace to apply the changes to all of the points, either sharp or smooth. The Move, Rotate, and Scale buttons allow manipulations on those type of keyframes. We'll play this animation to show you how the object now reacts to the new shaped path. Next, we will examine the Look Ahead feature in TrueSpace. This is one of the areas in which the proper placement and rotation of the axis beforehand is of utmost importance. With Look At enabled, the object's Z-axis will look forward down the path looking at the next frame in line. The Y-axis of the object will also be in the vertical Z-axis, where Y is pointing to the top of the object. We'll manipulate and change the height of a couple of our points, and we will see how the object reacts when traveling down the path with Look Forward enabled. We'll delete this path, and we will show you the next related tool, which is Look At. The Look At feature allows you to use a separate object as the focal point of your current object. The size or rotation of the object to be looked at is not of importance. We select our current object, and we select the Look At tool. We take the glue bottle and select the object we want to look at. It's that simple. TrueSpace will align the Z-axis of our object so that it will point at the axis of the Look At object. Also, the Y-axis of our current object will be vertical. That will define what will be the top of our object. By moving our object, you will notice that TrueSpace will ensure that it is always pointing directly at our Look At object. We cannot rotate this object manually. We can simply move it, and TrueSpace will handle the rotation for us.